You're building a solution with LLMs, but it doesn't work very well. Should you try to improve it now or just wait for better LLMs? Get the answer from a performance framework. Welcome to the second episode in our AI Abundance series. I recently watched an interview with Sam Altman that perfectly captures our AI abundance approach. Watch this clip, and afterward I'll explain why.
You can either build a business that bets against the next model being really good, or a model that bets on that happening and benefits from it happening. So if you're doing a lot of work to make one use case really work that was just beyond the capability of GPT-4, GPT-4, now, and then you get it to work, but then GPT-5 comes out and it does that and everything else really well, you're kind of like sad about the effort you put into that one thing to get it to barely work. But if you had something that just like kind of worked okay across the board and people were finding things to use for, but you didn't put in like tons of work to make this one thing kind of possible, and then GPT-5 or whatever we call it comes along, and it's just way better at everything. You got the rising tide lifted all your boats.
The situation Sam describes is not hypothetical. Bloomberg invested $10 million training a customized LLM on their own financial data, only to discover that GPT-4 with no customization worked better. Other teams optimized for OpenAI's latency and then discarded this work when Grok released an API that runs 10 times faster. Your AI strategy must consider how fast foundational models are becoming more powerful. You don't want to invest in technology that you will discard in a few months. While you don't know when the next generation of LLMs will arrive, you know it is soon, and they will be better, faster, and cheaper. In AI Abundance, we prepare with a performance framework, a tool for optimizing AI solutions and identifying limitations. You can create a simple version with a set of data and tasks in a spreadsheet. Check out episode 16, the case study with Veracant, for an example. The performance framework measures how well your solution works with current LLMs and identifies areas of underperformance. This systems level view will help you decide if and when to make optimization investments today, or simply wait for better LLMs. For example, if your solution doesn't work very well because the LLM isn't getting the data it needs, you can be somewhat confident that investing in data access won't be a wasted effort. On the other hand, if the limitation is based on the LLM's reasoning power, investing in complex tooling or functions might be wasted effort. If you found this useful, I hope you'll join the thousands of data, analytics, and AI professionals who subscribe to our weekly email newsletter. Now don't worry, this isn't the same irrelevant AI hype already filling your inbox and LinkedIn feed. Instead, we share assets used by the world's most successful companies like job descriptions, strategy templates, case studies, code samples, and more. Just visit prolego.com/newsletter or click the link in the show notes.